Please! Please! Please, 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 please. In this video, we're gonna open one of these AK. We really hope for the factory new because it costs almost 600 euros. So now we have 75 stars to spend, and we're gonna spend it on Overpass collection and missing link charms. So let's open the first one. We're gonna open 5 of these. Ooh. Okay, and last one. So now let's move to the missing link charms collection. Okay. Actually nothing dropped. I'm gonna check 666. Maybe overpay, but it's like 3 cents maybe. 1. Okay. Nothing. 11,000. 95,000. That's not bad, but it's blue, so overpay like 0. 97,000. Okay. 80k. 19k. 96. Okay, not bad. And 13,000. Okay, so this video have only 5 minutes when I'm recording it. So I don't know how long this video will be. I already don't know if I should open not or no. I don't know. 125 is so much. To get some money back, we need minimal wear, which cost 50 euros. I'm so nervous, guys. I'm so nervous. I'm gonna open it. 3. I'm gonna do console open, okay? 3, 2, 1. Please! Please! Please, 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 please. Guys, and now we need to pray we need to pray. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Ay. That's not good. That's not good. It's actually tested. Oh no! Okay, guys, so the AK cost 25 euros. This video is a huge loss. 25 euros. This is 450. Make it 30. So guys, as you could see, in this video we were not successful again. I sold all the items for 40 euros. That's a loss of 30 euros today. So now we are at 73 euros, 33 cents in profit. Have a great day, and let's hope that the next video will be more successful. See ya, bye. Hell yes!